In this video, I will show you the best place to buy crypto in Germany easily and securely. This tutorial will be really adapted so that it works with all payment cards in Germany or bank accounts in Germany. You'll see, it's really perfect. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe, and here we go. So the application that I am going to suggest to you to buy your cryptocurrencies, and in particular Bitcoin, is the Swissborg application. It is a crypto app that you can download on your mobile device, iPhone, Android, etc. Which is really very simple to use, really very intuitive, which will allow you to buy cryptos at the best price in Europe, and which will also guarantee you a very high level of security. So for me, this is the #1 crypto app that I use. I can only recommend it to you 100%. Registration only takes a few minutes. It's really very quick and easy. You will find the link to download the Swissborg app directly below the YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. You just need to click on the link. You will be automatically redirected to download the application on your mobile device like this. Either on the Apple Store if you are on iPhone, or on the Google Play Store if you are on Android. And what's more, by going through this link, it will allow you to unlock a bonus scratch card in the Swissborg application, which will allow you to win up to $100 of cryptocurrency for yourself. So once you have downloaded the app, all you have to do is click open like this. You will be able to save your information and validate your registration, as I told you, in a few minutes. Once you do this, you will land on the Swissborg homepage. So the first step will be to deposit money on Swissborg to be able to buy our cryptos. So for that, it's very simple. Just click on the green plus at the top right like this. You can make a bank deposit, which is free but takes 1 to 3 business days, or instantly deposit money using your credit card, debit card, or Apple Pay, Google Pay. You simply need to click on the option you want and then fill in your payment information and then validate the transaction. Once this is done, you will have your funds credited to Swissborg, and we will therefore be able to buy our cryptos and our bitcoins. So for this, it's very simple. Just click on the invest option at the bottom right, then click on buy cryptos like this. We will then see all the cryptos that are available for purchase on Swissborg. So we can see the Bitcoin here, so we're going to click on it. Then we click at the bottom in green on buy. We indicate at the top left the currency with which we want to buy our Bitcoins, so we will choose euros. We will indicate the amount, for example 10 euros, that we want to buy in Bitcoin. We click on next. Then we have the very transparent summary of the transaction fees, knowing that Swissborg is one of the platforms that guarantees you the best fees in Europe and also the best exchange rate, so you will be able to have the most Bitcoin per transaction. This is really one of their big advantages. And also, as I said before, it's a very secure platform. There are a lot of validation and security protocols, so that means that your cryptos that you hold on Swissborg belong to you at all times, and there is really almost no risk that you will lose them. Once you are okay with the transaction, all you have to do is click on confirm like this in green at the bottom right. The transaction takes only a few seconds to complete. So there you have it, we bought our Bitcoins, so you see it was really very simple and quick. You then have the summary of the amount you have in your wallet on Swissborg of this cryptocurrency. You can set up automatic investments if you wish, for example in Bitcoin every week, every month, etc. So it's very simple to set up in the Swissborg application like this. And if you want to do the opposite, i.e. sell your cryptocurrencies, your Bitcoins, to recover money and deposit them into your bank account, it's very simple. Just click on exchange in green at the bottom right, then indicate the currency you wish to exchange. For example, we want euros. We indicate the amount of Bitcoin that we want to convert into euros. Click on next. The transaction again is done in seconds. And there you have it, we exchanged our Bitcoins into euros, and then we can withdraw these euros from our bank account. All you have to do is click on remove at the bottom right in green, then indicate our bank account, the country in which it is located. We will only have to fill in our bank account information, and we will be able to withdraw our funds in just 1 to 3 business days. Usually it takes about a business day, so it's really fast. So there you have it. You know how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin simply with Swissborg and in a very secure way. Do not hesitate if you have any questions in the comments. It was Gummy, ciao.